No, GE dehumidifiers are not currently on the recall list. However, some GE models were included in a recall in 2015, due to a potential fire hazard. All recalled models were 40, 50, and 65 pint dehumidifiers manufactured between 2005 and 2008. The recall was announced in September 2015 and GE offered repair or refund for owners of affected models. The recall was initiated following 27 reports of the unit smoking and starting fires. Although the risk of danger is gone after having the unit serviced or refunded, it is still important to be aware of potential safety hazards. Consumers should take caution with any dehumidifier manufactured by GE or any other company. Dehumidifiers should be regularly inspected and maintained to reduce the risk of fire or other safety hazards. It is also recommended that dehumidifiers be plugged into outlets protected by circuit breakers between regular inspections. If any signs of damage or electrical wiring issues are found, the unit should be shut off and replaced. If you find that your dehumidifier is listed on a recall list, you should immediately stop using it and contact the manufacturer or retailer to arrange for a refund or repair. As far as the GE brand, all recalled dehumidifiers have now been fixed, and there is no longer any risk associated with their use. However, it is still important to monitor the recall list, as GE has had other products recalled in the past. GE dehumidifiers are no longer on the recall list, and pose no more potential risk than any other product on the market. Consumers should still be diligent about periodically checking the recall list, but can purchase and use GE dehumidifiers without worry. Regular maintenance of any GE dehumidifier is always recommended to ensure proper functionality, as is the case with any product. GE does provide extensive customer support, if you have any questions about the safety of their dehumidifiers. If you are unsure if your dehumidifier is on the recall list, you can visit the website of the Consumer Safety Protection Bureau to view the most current list of recalls. The recall list is also available by phone at 1-800-638-2772. Details of the recall process can usually be found on the website of the product manufacturer or the government agency involved in the recall. For the recall of some GE dehumidifiers in 2015, the company listed a process on their website, which included a toll-free number to call. However, as the dehumidifier is no longer under recall, accessing the information can be done by either the manufacturer or the government agency's website. For affected consumers who are experiencing difficulties with the rebate process, GE provides helpful customer service through their website. By filling in an online form, you can receive personalized service to help you with your particular issue. In general, recalls are taken very seriously by both the manufacturer and government agencies, and each case is handled as quickly and efficiently as possible. If you believe that you may have purchased a product that is on the recall list, it is important to contact the manufacturer or retailer immediately.